It is currently 8 degrees outside. 8. Good morning. So we're headed to the grocery store. The day of the storm.
7.
It's 7 degrees. 7 degrees. So now we're going to the store the day of to see what's left.
We're not going because of
Because
it's just normal shopping day.
well, yeah, it is our normal shopping day. We're not going because of the storm. It's our normal shopping day. But I don't think there's going to be anything left on the shelves. From what I've heard, people around here have been clearing them out. So we'll see. I mean, look, I grew up in the 80s. And I remember we had a storm in the 80s, and we were inside for a week. Like, the plows did not come. But now, they come and they spray the roads ahead of time, and then they come down the roads, and the snow just disappears. You don't get stuck at home like you used to. I think people that rush to the store and buy everything have not adjusted to the new reality. I guess here there's potential for people to be living in some super rural areas, but at the same time, the people in the city, you guys, the storm hits us Sunday, and by Monday afternoon, the roads are going to be pretty clear. Anyway, we're on the way to the store. It's going to be lots of fun. There it is. That's what's coming for us. That's all snow. All that gray, that's snow. It's coming. It's coming. Feel it. Eggs are gone. Eggs are gone, and Pillsbury biscuits are demolished. Holy moly. Yeah, I don't know about that. Dill pickle pretzel sticks. They got beer cheese pretzel sticks too. Do I get them? Why not? $3? Yeah, I don't know. Decisions. Maybe we'll go beer cheese. Problem is, it's probably that cheap beer that I don't like. And I don't like cheap beer taste. Looks like some cereals got hit pretty hard too. What's missing? Honey Nut Cheerios, Mini Wheats, Honeycombs, Lucky Charms. Holy moly. People got the good stuff, right? Cocoa Pebbles are all gone. Reese's Puffs. I mean, they cleaned out the Reese's Puffs. Holy moly, there's like an open box and dark chocolate, and that's all that's left. Let's go check out the bread. That sounds delicious. Kelpo. I guess that's some kind of SpongeBob SquarePants tie-in. Bread is a little rough. There's a whole lot of bread missing. And donuts. Donuts are gone too. Oh, are people really buying Yellowstone brand Angus beef chili? Like, do you crack open the can and Kevin Costner shows up at your house? Like, why? Oh. What? Wait, what? Is this the same stuff they have at the store? At the restaurant? Look at that. 7 degrees. We're all stocked up on buttermilk and cold medicine. We're off to Costco, which should be even more fun. Oh boy, can't wait. On this side of the hill, it is 9 degrees. On the Walmart side of the hill, 7. On the Route 11 side, 9. What? How does that happen? Looks like we're not the only people that decided to come to Costco with their upgraded memberships. The bread situation at Costco is a little rough. A little rough. Yikes. This is really good stuff. Really good. Bought a bunch of soup. Pre-made soup stuff. So that's fantastic. So I guess we'll be eating lots of soup. Even though the kids don't eat soup, which is just weird. Lots of people in there buying generators. Do they know something we don't? I don't know. It's gonna get fun. Snowmageddon preparation continues. It's fantastic. Can't wait. It's gonna get fun. You guys just missed what my wife just said. Do I need to go buy a generator? Because now I've got FOMO.
They know something we don't.
I'm not buying a generator. I'm not doing it.
Maybe they know something we don't know.
I mean, they might.
I'm not buying a generator either. If I'm gonna get a generator, I'm gonna get a whole house generator.
I'm gonna get a generator and use it once.
I won't make it a whole house.
And then it's just gonna be another thing in my shed that takes up space. Last stop in Snowmageddon preparations. One more time I'm going outside. Well, and then I have to go home and take the dog out 20 times. See, they don't tell you that at the ASPCA when you go to pick up the dog and you forget about it from when you had other dogs in the cold. They don't tell you that. You will be taking the dog out multiple times in the snow and weather and cold and freezing. You will be taking the dog out. They neglect to tell you that when you go adopt a dog. Oh. We're at the real grocery store now. Let's go see what they don't have. Where did my wife go? Like there was a massive run of frozen pizzas. Not that I need that. Let's go look at milk and eggs and stuff. Milk looks pretty good. Let's see if we can find bread and eggs. Oh boy. This is a whole lot of bread. Also, where the clearance section is in the back of the store, for whatever reason, I don't know what's back there, but it smells like Flight of Passage. No, none of this stuff is on clearance, but sometimes you can find this on clearance. These Montemort cheddar cheese bites are delicious. Fantastic. Oh yeah, and this is also very good. This Wensleydale blueberries. I put it on pancakes. Ooh boy, is it delicious. Delicious. By the way, if you're looking for the organic water, it is on aisle 2. Chili, cheese. We have made it into the double digits. Look at that. Amazing. So we got home and decided that we needed to take a trip to the cheese shop to pick up some cheese. So we're on our way to the cheese shop and check the temperature out. 13. We have gone up a whole 3 degrees since we went out before. Ooh, barnyard grilling dust. Sounds delicious. Farm dust. Stockyards trail dust. What? Sounds delicious. What is sipping vinegar? Doesn't sound very tasty. Is that like, what's that stuff called? Shoot, I don't know. This looks delicious. Look at that maple brown sugar honey butter. Look at that. pie spice, cinnamon honey, maple brown sugar, regular old honey butter. It's like it's $11.29 for the flavor.
Ginger snaps. I have found ginger snaps.
What do you think, Finn? What you getting?
This and this just fell off. It just slipped off. Ah. That you get free ice cream and root beer at space camp.
You do what?
You get ice cream and root beer at space camp all week.
No way.
Yeah, huh?
That looks pretty good, huh?
My sister did it, so yeah, I know. And if she is lying, I'm gonna whoop her.
What?
That looks pretty good too.
Black windows don't open.
So I went ahead and
Maybe they don't
picked this
put
up.
stuff like
I'm not sold. It's kind of weird. It's for slow sipping. It's better known and stuff, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know. It's just kind of weird. It doesn't really like punch you like root beer should. So we also picked up this frog jam. It's figs, raspberry, orange, and ginger. Gonna try that out. See what that's about. I think the problem with the root beer was it's made with stevia. It just tastes like watered down root beer. Oh well. Also got some pretzels and some gumdrops and some gumballs and a whole lot of cheese. Oh, if you ever go to the cheese place, this Swiss Asiago cheese, woo boy, that's some good stuff right there. And a whole lot of Munster. A whole lot of Munster. It's about 6:15. And there's still no snow. It was supposed to start this afternoon. But we've got nothing. A whole lot of nothing. It's about 8:30. It's been snowing for maybe half an hour. Snowmageddon begins. You know, about a week ago when I first saw on Threads some guy talking about this winter storm that was coming, he said there would be a lot of warm air aloft, so the chances of snow was very remote. And I think he was right. We've got about 4 3/4 of an inch of snow on the ground. And now it's all ice. But it's been ice for at least an hour.
making a path.
Making a path for the dog.
Yes. She
Another
actually
one?
Used it.
Huh?
She actually used it.
She did?
Yeah.
It's cold out here, man. Yeah.
I've been out here for like an hour now.
Yeah. Your feet are looking rough. Whew. Alright, I'm going back in. Don't stay out too long.
It's fine. I'm actually not that cold. When it's like pouring again, I will head back in.
Uh-huh.
I was
So the problem we're having is that there's so much ice on top of the snow,
You can barely break it with your feet. You can walk across it.
and we have to get all the way down there.
You can walk across this ice
Yeah, you can walk right across the top.
without it breaking unless you like push down so hard. It even made a perfect snowball.
Uh-huh.
See? Look at that.
So I'm using a regular shovel
It's better.
to break the ice
And
so we can get to the snow.
and me, I'm just
Snow
throwing
shovels.
it. Me, I'm just throwing it.
Take the rest
I'm
out.
gonna aim for that perfect snowball. I missed it by 1 inch.
I ran out of salt. I'm like quarter of the driveway. And that's how much I've done. And how much I've got left. Oh. And I am beat. Oh my god. Well, I can't say I'm beat. The wind has started blowing. And it's kind of ripping right through me. And that's kind of beating me, if that makes sense. Phew. I guess I'll keep on chopping. This is also, this is not good snow. This is terrible. Terrible snow. This is the kind of snow when you're a mean kid, you like to make snowballs out of and throw at other kids. Because it's mostly ice. This snow hurts. Phew. I was trying to make it to the mailbox. At least. So if I make it to the mailbox, then the street's right there. It's getting tough. I think I need to go in and change the laundry. Let me go in, throw the laundry in the wash, and then warm up for a minute, come back out. See how much further I can get. So, after a tiny break, I managed to get there. The guy running around with a bobcat. He asked if we needed help. I still had help. Finn was out here helping me. And then Finn left. And now I'm like, come back, Mr. Bobcat. Come back. Come back. Because I can use your help. Finn was having fun. And then he decided, yeah, I'm done. Come back, Mr. Bobcat. Come back. Probably the last of my snowfall, Sleetopia, Snowmageddon updates. It has frozen into one solid mass of ice and nastiness. Like it is not even like mean people snow now. It is just ice. Mean kid ice. Mean kid snow. It's not even that anymore. It is just ice. Just ice. And there's nothing nice about ice. So, you've already canceled school for tomorrow. Yeah, so nothing looks nice from here today, this afternoon. JMU off there in the distance to the right. Nice. And so that's gonna do it for the day. That's our how we survived Snowmageddon, Sleetopia, as I've seen some people calling it. Yeah, a lot of ice. It's not fun. Might try and get out today.
It is fun. I can skate around.
But But it's not fun to try and shovel and move out of the way and all the other stuff.
Nah.
Nah.
Who cares about that work? Who wants work?
Who wants work? Anyway, that's going to do it. Thanks for coming along. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that other stuff. And we'll see ya.
See